Let's put the dollar in and then reset.
Oh, this one no coin.
Okay. Let's put some coin in.
You want to wait until it stop or?
Okay.
The line, yellow line, orange line is something wrong.
Okay. Just put the dollar in first. Let's see this side work. Okay. Is it touching the metal?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Forget it. That's fine. Just as long as it's touching the metal. Put the dollar in now.
So only one side come out.
Okay. So we'll reset this.
Okay. Try one more dollar. Yellow orange line look good now.
Yeah.
Now no. How it work?
Still looking for the money.
So that means doesn't come out. This one have to this come out for enough the money. Alright?
Okay, let's put another dollar in there. It only came out 50 cents.
Now it come out $1 for this one.
It
But
did?
this one doesn't come out.
Okay.
So that means it shut up this one because this one doesn't work. The machine automatically shut it down and then this one work.